Hello friends, welcome back to Ankur Farm Ripanpet YouTube channel. We are lucky enough to get 7 different varieties of jackfruit which have all ripened on the same day. I thought of sharing some details about these varieties in this video. First, let me just mention the varieties name. So the jackfruit on the table is called honeydew jackfruit. It originated from Kerala. It's called Tenuvarika in Malayalam in Kerala. In our locality, we call it as Jenubakke. So first one on the left is very famously known as gumless jackfruit. Next to the gumless are the small sized ball shaped Rudrakshi jackfruit varieties. So this is the yellow Rudrakshi jackfruit variety. These two are red Rudrakshi jackfruit varieties. This is our Malnad special. It's from a place called Mankalale near Sagara, Taluk in Shimoga district, Karnataka. So it has been chosen as the best red jackfruit among many other red jackfruit varieties of the region all the way back in 2003. So it's very famously known for its color and a distinct taste. So I will be showing you the cut open fruit in the coming part. This is Sri Vijaya yellow jackfruit. So this is from Bangalore. It's from a tree near Vijayanagar, Bangalore. So it's the speciality of this variety is that it yields almost throughout the year in Bangalore weather in the original tree. So in our high rainfall conditions, the fruit tastes excellent and very crisp and dark yellow color bulbs during summer time. But once the rains start in the high rainfall conditions of our Malnad region in Shimoga district or even in coastal areas, the fruit tends to absorb water and the taste becomes bland. So this is only suggested for dry places like Tumkur, Bangalore, etc. So this is a very famous variety from Bhadravati near Shimoga. It's called Vishveshwara. It has dark yellow bulbs and very thick bulbs. So hopefully this is mature enough to show you the colors. It's not actually ripe. Still, for the sake of this video, to give you some insights on this variety, I will be showing you the cut open fruit in the coming parts. One more thing is that all these fruits are from the mother trees of our farm, of our nursery. So the mother trees serve as the source of science for our grafts of these varieties. So we do the grafts and sell them at our nursery. We do not sell these fruits. We just share these fruits with our friends and family and the customers who visit our nursery, and just as a sample. All these are farm fresh fruits. They have been harvested yesterday evening and they are directly from the tree itself. So these are not artificially ripened or anything like that. So this is called honeydew jackfruit. It's from Kerala. So it has got thick and crispy carpels. So you can see the arrangement. It's quite yellow, not very dark, but still attractive yellow colored bulbs. So this is called gumless jackfruit. It's originally from Mangalore. It's been popular for many years all around Karnataka. So as the name suggests, it's almost gumless. So it's almost whitish, and as you can see, there is almost no gum, only some specks of latex oozing out, but not like any other fruit. So this has got very crispy and crunchy bulbs, and even if it seems that it is not ripened enough, it's quite ripened. So it's very tasty, but it doesn't have very appealing color. So still it is very popular among the masses here. So as you can see, it's very crispy, doesn't have any fiber content, and it can be broken like this. So it's so crisp and it's very tasty, and you cannot just stop eating after one. So it's so tasty. So you want to keep eating forever. So this is called Rudrakshi jackfruit, and it is the variety is called yellow Rudrakshi. So the Rudrakshi varieties are endemic to the Western Ghats of Karnataka, and it's not found anywhere else in the world. So you may find some small sized fruits in various parts of Karnataka, but still this ball shaped spherical with high bulb density, these kind of fruits are only found in the Western Ghats districts of Karnataka and northern Kerala. So even a small fruit like this has as many as 20, 30 or even 40 bulbs. Let me show. So this is not ripened enough, but let me just show you the. So it's very attractive and it's tightly packed. So as you can see, the entire fruit can be held in a single hand. So it's very convenient to carry, cut open and use according to the size of your family. So as you can see, the bulbs are tightly packed. There is absolutely no wastage. A person can expect very good value for money from this fruit, and it's also very tasty and has got very crunchy bulbs, crunchy and crispy bulbs. And the particular speciality of this variety is that, so in our region, yielding starts as early as April or even March, and the yield continues until September or even sometimes October. So it has got very large season, and even in the highest of rains it doesn't absorb any water or the quality doesn't diminish. So it's a very good variety, and it has got very high commercial scope for the growers. And the tree is very wild, and it grows into a strong and wild tree, and it grows quite straight, unlike other varieties which tend to branch out. So this variety grows very tall and strong. So it has got very good timber value too after many years of growth. So this is a very unique variety even among Rudrakshi. So this is called red Rudrakshi. So it has got saffron red bulbs. So in Rudrakshi we have seen many Rudrakshi varieties bearing yellow colored fruits. Among them we have selected one best variety as yellow Rudrakshi variety. So but in case of this one, so we have come across only one tree. So in the sense it's very unique, and there is no other tree producing red colored Rudrakshi fruits. So you can see it for yourself. It has got very rich saffron colored bulbs, and these are also very tasty, but the season is from May to August. So this too doesn't absorb any water in the harshest of rains. It maintains its quality throughout the rainy season. So it is also very consumer friendly, and it has got very high commercial value. This is called Mankale Red. So as I said earlier, it too originated in our district, Shimoga district, a place called Mankale near Sagar Taluk. So it's very famous across our district for its very tasty and very colorful bulbs. So it has got light saffron colored bulbs. So this is bit overripe. So this is the last fruit from our tree. This variety too, even in the highest of rains, doesn't lose its quality, taste or color. So the fruit seems to have been damaged on the tree, so it has absorbed some amount of water. Otherwise, if the fruit was intact, it wouldn't absorb any amount of water. As you can see, the bulbs are quite thick and crisp. So this variety is very tasty, but the variety needs some 6 or 8 years to start its yield. But in the dry areas like Tumkur or Bangalore, the variety starts yielding within 4 or 5 years of age. So this variety is called as Sri Vijaya. It's popularly known as all season because it yields almost throughout the year in Bangalore weather. But in our Malnad high rainfall conditions of our district, so it yields for about 6 to 8 months in a year. And as I said earlier, it tends to absorb water in the rainy season, so it's not very suitable for high rainfall areas of Western Ghats or coastal Karnataka. So very tasty variety when the yield is in summer time. It's not ripe enough, but you may observe the thickness of the bulbs. Properly ripened attains quite good yellow color, and the bulbs are quite thick, and they are very juicy and crunchy, and very tasty variety when it yields in summer time. So this variety is called Vishweshwara Yellow. It's from Bhadravati, Karnataka. So this doesn't seem to have ripened enough. Not ripe enough. So when properly ripened, it attains very dark yellow colored bulbs. You can see the thickness of each bulb. So we have cut and arranged the different jackfruit varieties that I have described in this video. So as you can see, this is honeydew jack. So this is a small piece of that variety. These are the bulbs. So this is called honeydew jack, or Jenubakke in Kannada, or Tenuvarika in Kerala. So this is the gumless jack. So you can see the contrast between normal jackfruit varieties and the gumless variety. So I have not removed the gum, just to show you that the gumless has it's almost negligible. Only small specks of gum are visible here. So in normal varieties, you can see how the gum flows like this. So it's called gumless. So this is the piece of that fruit. These are the flakes. So these are yellow Rudrakshi and red Rudrakshi respectively. Very attractive, very handy, and very easy to pluck from the tree, transport, cut open and consume. Very convenient for the customers. So these are the pieces of yellow Rudrakshi and red Rudrakshi. So red Rudrakshi has got very attractive reddish saffron red bulbs. You can see the contrast of yellow Rudrakshi and red Rudrakshi. Also, this is Mankalale red. So this has got saffron colored bulbs, saffron or orangish saffron color bulbs. You can see the contrast. It has got very tasty, thick, crispy bulbs. These are the sorted bulbs. So these two varieties were not ripened. So just to show you the thickness of their bulbs, I have cut them. So this is Bhadravati yellow. It has got very thick bulbs. You can see from this cut piece, very thick, and when properly ripened, it has got the best yellow color among all these varieties. It's more yellow than that Jenubakke or honeydew jack. So I will show you the previous photo of another fruit of this variety. So this is the thickness of this Bhadravati yellow variety. So same with the Shri Vijaya variety. This has also got very attractive yellow bulbs, and this fruit is not mature enough, so it was harvested prematurely, I guess. 7 different varieties of jackfruit from our Ankur farm, Ripanpet. So the intention of this video was to make aware people about the different shades of jackfruit. These shades are natural. None of these varieties have been injected or anything like that. These are farm fresh. They have been harvested directly from the tree itself and cut immediately. There are a lot more shades in this jackfruit, and there are varieties which are more red. They are called coppery red. So a different shade altogether, but very attractive colors are available in jackfruit, and these are not selected just for their color or appearance. So these are all very sweet, tasty, and most of all very firm bulbs. So they are crispy, crunchy, and very tasty. These are the varieties that we propagate in our nursery, so among other varieties. So we do have about 15 to 20 varieties of jackfruit. So if you like this video, please share this with your friends, families, and whoever is a jack lover will definitely love this video. And for more such videos, please subscribe to our channel Ankur Farm Ripanpet. Share your thoughts in the comment section, and for more such videos, please follow our channel. I will meet you in another video.